Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nadine West. This is my monthly clothing subscription. They do give you a return label in case there's anything you don't want. You just stick it back in the bag, put the label on it, and they only charge you for what you keep. So it's really easy. Now on the other side of that, it shows you the prices. So we'll go through this one at a time. This bundle, this wasn't in a bundle, so we'll go through this part first. This is a pretty shirt. Oh, that's cute. I like that shade of blue, and it has like the lines going that direction, and then it like switches midway down. And it's nice and flowy. It's a thicker, soft material. So that's nice. That's probably a keeper. I'll insert the pictures and the prices at the end so that you guys are aware. Now this is very flowy. It looks like it would be pretty short, like my stomach might stick out, but it's longer in the back. It's a nice shade though. Then we also have some pants. Really thick band on these. Some buttons up top. Very stretchy, super stretchy. Here's what the back looks like. There are pockets on the back. So yeah, those are nice. Those are really soft too. And then it looks like we have another pair of pants, probably a dress and a piece of jewelry in here as well. Got earrings this time. Sometimes I get necklaces. Some gold hoops. And then the dress, another really pretty shade. It's like a bluish purple. Shop Basic is the brand on that one. Oh, I think this is the same exact dress I have, but I have it in green, and I wore it this year for pictures, and it was adorable. It gathers right here, and it's not too long. It's flowy, and then it has pockets, which is awesome. Very excited to have that. And then another pair of jeggings. Now these ones are a little distressed in the knee, on both knees. Not too bad though, just a little bit. This one has a smaller band, but is stretchy. Real pockets. I hate when they put fake pockets on there. And then the pockets on the back. Very cool. So if you guys would like to try Nadine West, I do have a link below, referral link. And if you want to see past months, I've been getting them for quite some time now. So I do have a bit of a playlist going in case you're interested in that. But yeah, check out the description box below for all the details. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.